Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Saturday. Robin and I have already done our weekly shopping this morning, and we picked up stuff for the week and most importantly for this weekend, the New Year's weekend. We're having a appetizer fest, aka junk food fest. And we're both going to be working in the kitchen this weekend, are going to be preparing spinach dip, hot artichoke dip with pepperoncinis, hummus with roasted red peppers, and from my hometown, Werner's meatballs. And honestly, I perfected it. Don't tell my mother. So let me show you some of the items that we store. One of the things I ran across, and I have several friends from the South, we're going to be trying Duke's mayonnaise. I've heard great things, so we're going to try it. So we got the ketchup, we got the water chestnuts, the Werner's, which is very important. Do not substitute Werner's with any other ginger ale. It won't work. Crackers, we got some roasted red peppers, some pepperoncinis, of course, artichoke hearts, garbanzos, bread, the leek soup mix, and so forth, so forth, so forth. So for dinner tonight, on Saturdays typically is my night off from cooking, but we decided last night to do something a little bit different. So we're going, because at the end of the month, we want to do something inexpensive and easy. The only meal that I can come up with, for me, is my chili mac, which actually is taco mac. And I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Let's go. Yes, the secret is, it's only got 5 ingredients and no prep. I use ground turkey, pre-made macaroni and cheese, a small container of pico de gallo, original taco mix from McCormick, and I use one of my favorites, and I change this up every so often, one of my favorite chili powders. It's very simple. You saute up the pico de gallo with a little bit of olive oil, and then you add the ground turkey, get that all nice and brown, add the seasoning mix, water, yada, yada, yada. Then you add the heated up macaroni and cheese, stir well, serve, and enjoy. It's comfort food for us. Yes, it is a repeated dish, and my kitchen, my rules. So, what are your plans for this weekend? Food plans. Let me know in the comments. Have a great day, eat great food, and always have fun cooking.